Portion of the 7th grade concert, we like to show off how much they have grown in terms of different instrument families. So we'll have the woodwind group and a percussion group play by themselves. The woodwind group will play a piece called Chase. I've been making a joke this whole time when we've been learning it. I keep telling the genius who wrote this piece will be in the audience, and I have to tell you, it's me. I know it's a surprise to all of us. So we're going to do 2 ensemble pieces, and the other composer back there, Mr. Whitmer, our percussion instructor, has also written the other piece for the percussion. So 2 original pieces of music that you're going to be hearing right now, featuring our woodwind group and our percussion group. Chase is up first.